Just a year after the unveiling of the refreshed VW ID.3, Volkswagen has introduced a range of enhancements focusing on infotainment, equipment, and electric powertrain. The VW ID.3 Pro S now boasts a more potent electric motor, while the entire lineup benefits from the latest infotainment system, additional features, and reduced charging times. Formerly sharing a 201 horsepower electric motor with its counterparts, the ID.3 Pro S now boasts an upgraded power output of 228 horsepower. This power increase comes as standard in Germany, with the option for customers in other European markets to upgrade their vehicles post-purchase via the new Power on Demand feature. The additional power translates to a quicker 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 7.1 seconds, reduction of 0.8 seconds compared to the previous version. Moreover, the electric motor's efficiency has been enhanced, extending the combined WLTP range by 13 km to a total of 559 km. The ID.3's 77 kWh battery pack now features a preconditioning function, optimizing its temperature prior to charging. This enables charging speeds of up to 175 kW DC, reducing charging times by several minutes, particularly in colder conditions. Inside the cabin, the ID.3 Pro S adopts the new 12.9-inch touchscreen display seen in newer VW models like the ID.7. Featuring simplified menus, a more intelligent IDA voice assistant, and ChatGPT integration, this latest infotainment system enhances the user experience. Interior updates also include touch sliders, a repositioned driving mode selector, and improved steering wheel buttons. Volkswagen has also upgraded the ID.3's augmented reality head-up display and bolstered its safety features with the addition of an exit warning system, optional Park Assist Plus, and an enhanced travel assist. New features include the Wellness app, offering functions like Fresh Up, Calm Down, and Power Brake, which adjust lighting, sound, and air conditioning settings accordingly. Additionally, audiophiles can opt for the optional 480-watt Harman Kardon audio system. The VW ID.3 Pro S is now available for order in Germany, starting from €47,595, $50,870, before incentives. Other trim levels will soon follow suit, including the flagship ID.3 GTX hot hatch equipped with the latest technology.